Hi my dear friends, welcome to my channel Venus EduTech. In this video, I will teach you machine input output which comes under the reasoning section. So let's get into the video.
Machine input-output questions are usually asked in the mains exams. In most of the cases, these type of questions would be easy to moderate, and in some other cases, it would be difficult. But remember, it is difficult but not impossible. Once you get the logic, you get 5 marks in your hands because 5 questions would be based on this machine input-output type. Machine input-output means sometimes a word arrangement machine is given or a number arrangement machine is given, or both word and number arrangement machine is given. An input line of words or numbers or both, you have to arrange them following a particular rule, and you will be given an example, and based on that example you have to do the following input. It will be clear to you once you do the questions. So we can directly go to the questions. The first question is, when a word and number arrangement machine is given an input line of words and numbers, it arranges them following a particular rule. The following is an illustration of input and rearrangement. All the numbers are 2-digit numbers, and the input they have given is 41, sprain, 10, early, 97, noble, 26, 65, angle and death. And 5 steps are given to you based on that input, and these steps are arranged according to a particular rule. We can look into that, what kind of rule they have applied in this case. Here in this first step they have written 97 here and sprain here. Okay, 97 on the left hand side and sprain on the right hand side, and the rest remains the same. That means they are changing in each step both left hand side and the right hand side. In the left hand side they have written the largest number among these 5 numbers, that is 97, and on the right hand side they have written the last word according to the English alphabet. According to the English alphabet, the last letter is S among these, that is angle starting with A, death starting with a D, noble starting with N, early starting with E, and sprain starting with S. So the last alphabet according to the English alphabetical order, it is S. So they have written sprain on the right hand side, and in the next step they have written, they are alternatively changing numbers and words on both the sides. In the left hand side first they have written the largest number, and in the second step they have written the second last word according to the English alphabetical order. See, noble, after sprain it will be noble on the left hand side, and on the right hand side they have written the second largest number 65. Did you get the logic? So this is the logic, that is 90 in the step 1, 97 on the LHS and sprain on the RHS, and in the second step second last word, that is noble on the LHS and 65, second largest number on the RHS, and in the third step third largest number will be on the LHS, and the third last word will be on the RHS, that is early. Understood? So 41 will be on the LHS and early will be on the RHS, and in the fourth step next word, that is death, will be on the LHS and the number will be on the RHS. That means they are alternatively changing the word and number in each step on both the sides. Okay, and in the last step the least number, that is 10 on the LHS and angle on the RHS. So this is the way that they have arranged the following input. So in this input, step 5 is the last step of the above arrangement, as the intended arrangement is obtained. As per the rules followed in the given steps, find out the appropriate steps for the given input. So they have given you an example of an input and the arrangement of that input, and you have to do the following input as per the above arrangement. And the input is omits 36, 59, yards, 41, elect, train, 12, lakes and 85. So as per the above steps, what is the first step of this input? On the LHS, the largest number, that is 85, will be on the LHS, and the last word, that is yards, on the RHS. So it will be like this, 85 will be on the LHS and yards will be on the RHS. So what will be the next step? In the next step, second last word, that is train, will be on the LHS, and the second last number 59 will be on the RHS. So what would be step number 3? In the step number 3, third largest number would be on the LHS, that is 41 will be on the LHS, and the third last word will be on the RHS, that is omits will be on the RHS. Like this, right? 41 on the LHS and omits on the RHS. Then what would be the step number 4? Which word will come on the LHS? Lakes, the word lakes will come on the LHS, and the next number would be 36 on the RHS, right? Like this. Now what would be step number 5? In the step number 5, on the LHS, the last number, least number, that is 12 will be on the LHS, and on the RHS the word elect will be there, right? Like this. So this is the last step of the given input. Okay, so these are the 5 steps based on the above input. Now we will be having 5 questions based on this input output. First question is, which element comes exactly between 85 and lakes in step 3 of the given input? So this is step 3, and between 85 and lakes, which element comes exactly in between? The elements in between are 85 and lakes are 36, elect and 12. So exactly which word will be there, which word or number? Elect is there. So what is the answer? Elect. Option E, elect is the answer. Now going to the second question. If in the first step 59 interchanges its position with lakes and omits also interchanges its position with 12, then which element will be to the immediate left of 41? So going to the first step. So in the first step, 59 is interchanged with the word lakes, and omits is interchanged with the number 12. So it will be like this, that is omits is interchanged with the 12, and 12 is interchanged with omits, and lakes is interchanged with 59, and 59 is interchanged with lakes. So the question is, which element then will be to the immediate left of 41? Immediate left of 41, then it will be lakes instead of 59. So the answer is lakes. So fifth option is the answer. Now going to the third question. Which of the following combinations represent the first 2 and the last 2 elements in the step 5 of the given input? That is, in the last step, final step, step number 5, which are the first 2 and the last 2 elements? Which are the first 2 elements? 12 and lakes, and which are the last 2 elements? 36 and elect in the step number 5. So the answer is 12 lakes and 36 elect. That is, second option is the right choice. Now going to the fourth question. Which element is fourth to the right of the one which is ninth from the right and is step 5 of the given input? In this kind of question, it is written fourth right, ninth right. So both right comes, you have to do minus. I have given you in my previous coding and decoding videos, and if you didn't watch it, please do check it out. When 2 right comes, you have to do minus. When 2 left comes, you have to do minus. When right and left comes, you do plus, and when left and right comes, you do plus. So here fourth right and ninth right, that means both are right, you have to do minus. So ninth right minus fourth right equal to fifth right. So you have to find out the element which is fifth right in the step 5 of the given input. All these steps I have given you in the previous videos of coding and decoding. Please do watch it out, and also in that video I have given you to find the middle element. So please do watch the previous videos. Now here we can find out the fifth right in step 5. Which is the fifth element from the right in the step 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is yards. So second option is the answer. Now going to the final question. In which step are the elements train, 85, yards, 59 found in the same order? See, it is clear that it is found in the fifth step. Train, 85, yards, 59 in the same order. It is in the step number 5. So fourth option is the right choice. This is the question asked in Andhra Bank PO 2050. In the second question, an input is given and 7 steps are arranged according to a particular rule based on that input. So based on this rule, you have to do the input given to you. First, we have to check it out what kind of rule they have applied in this steps. So here the input is stock 4712, rice at 99, 75, 32, y is jog high 28, 56, b. This is the input. And in the step number 1, it consists of both words and numbers. And here in step number 1, they have written the least number, that is 12. And on the RHS they also changed the, here in this question also they have changed both RHS and LHS, and at the RHS they have written the first word among these words, that is at. In this input, when you look at the last step, it is clear that in the LHS, on the LHS what they have did, they have done the in descending order of numbers, that is in the decreasing order, 99, 75, 56, 47, like that. And on the RHS what they have did, they have written the ascending order of words, that is at, b, high, jog, rise, jog, wise, according to the alphabetical order arrangement. I hope you got the logic. First step I explained, and in the second step, next number 28 is written on the LHS, and on the RHS B is written, that is AB. Next alphabet it is H, right? So at B high is written on the RHS, and the next number 32 on the LHS. Next larger number. And in the fourth step, next larger number of 32 it is 47, and it is written on the LHS, and on the RHS the next word jog is written according to the alphabetical order. Okay, so likewise they have written up to 7 steps. Step 7 is the last step of the above rearrangement, as the desired arrangement is obtained. As per the rules followed in the given steps, find out the appropriate steps for the given input, and our input is 83, Y, SAT, 14, 32, no, B, ink, feet, 50, 27, vein, 67 and 92. So what would be the first step? On the LHS, the least number, that is 14, will be on the LHS, and on the RHS the first word, that is starting with B, B will be on the RHS, like this. And what would be the second step? In the second step, next number, that is 27, will be on the LHS, and the next word starting with F, feet, will be on the RHS, like this. Now what would be step number 3? The next number 32 will be on the LHS, and the next word, that is ink, ink will be on the RHS, like this. And what would be step number 4? Next number, that is 50, would be on the LHS, and on the RHS no will be there. So it looks like this. Now what would be step number 5? The next number 67 would be on the LHS, and on the RHS the next word is SAT. So it will be like this. Now what will be step number 6? The next number, that is 83, would be on the LHS, and on the RHS the next word is V. So it will be look like this. Now what would be the last step? 92 would be on the LHS, and on the RHS the word Y would be there, like this. Okay, now we can go to the questions. First question is, which step number is the following output? 32, 27, 14, 83, Y, SAT, no, 50, vein, 67, 92, B, feet, ink. So this following output can be seen in which step? It is found in the third step. But in the option step 3 is not given, so our option is other than those given as options. Option E is the answer. Now going to the second question, which word or number would be at 5th position from the right in step 5? So in step number 5, which word or number, which element would be at the 5th position from the right? So which element is 5th from the right in the 5th step? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is the element or word. So fourth option is the answer. B is the word which is at 5th position from the right in step number 5. Now we can go to the third question. How many elements, that is words or numbers, are there between feet and 32 as they appear in the last step of the output? In the last step between feet and 32, feet and 32, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 elements are there. So option B is the right choice. Now going to the fourth question. Which of the following represents the position of Y in the fourth step? So what is the position of Y in the fourth step? So this is the fourth step, and the position of Y in this step is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So sixth from the left is the position of y, right? So option 3 is the answer. This question is asked in IBPS PO Mains 2015. Going to the workout questions, the first one is, the first step has been obtained by multiplying the digits in input. The next steps are not obtained in the same way. They are obtained by applying a certain logic. Numbers of step 2 have been obtained by using at least one digit of each number in step 1. Each step is a resultant of previous step. So here the logic is in the question itself. The logic is in the question itself. Here there are 4 steps based on these numbers. The numbers are 34, 41, 63, 23, 72 and 31, and there are 4 steps based on this number. And in each step they applied a certain logic, and you have to find out that logic and do the following input. These are the steps of the example given. There are 5 steps. In the first step 9 and 8, 8 and 7, 6 and 9, and in the second step 2, 3, 2, 4, and in the third step 1.5 and 2, and in step 4 0.5. And your numbers are 5 for 54, 14, 37, 21, 28, 30. Find the 4 steps based on these numbers as per the above logic. And the questions are, first one, each of numbers in step 2 are halved, then find the sum of the numbers obtained. Options 17.5, 18, 24.5, 22.5 and 20. Second question, find the multiplication of the 2 numbers obtained in step 3. Options 2.5, 1.5, 0.5, 1 and 2. Third question, find the difference between sum of numbers obtained in the first step and sum of numbers obtained in all other steps. Options 183, 170, 189, 172 and 195. Second workout question, when a word and number arrangement machine is given an input line of words and numbers, it arranges them following a particular rule. The following is an illustration of input and rearrangement. Input is NJES GLFU 53, 18, 31, 44, WIRD and TECT. And there are 4 steps based on this input, and they have applied a certain logic on these steps. As per the rules followed in the given steps, find out the appropriate steps for the input. OLPJ 21, HTPL 34, TN, JG 56, 67 and BNMC. Questions. First one, which element comes exactly between 105 and 168 in step 4 of the given input? Options VPLH, LXTO, ROSL, 136 and none of these. Second question, which element is fourth to the left in second last step? Options 134, 168, VPLH, ROSL and none of these. Third question, in which step are the elements 168, VPLH, 134, 21, BNMC found in the same order? Options 3rd, 2nd, 1st, 4th. The given order of elements is not found in any step. Fourth question, if in step 3, 136 interchanges its position with BNMC and ROSL also interchanges its position with 21, then which element will be fifth to the left of ROSL? Options BNMC, 136, VPLH, 134 and none of these. And the third workout question, a number arrangement machine is given an input line of numbers, rearranges them following a particular rule. The following is an illustration of input and rearrangement. And the input is 62, 31, 23, 48, 73, 54, 17 and 42. And these are the 4 steps based on the above input. Step 4 is the output of the above input. As per the rules followed in the above steps, find out in each of the following questions the appropriate steps for the given input. And the input is 44, 37, 61, 56, 32, 83, 12 and 75. First question, which of the following element is second to the right of the element which is sixth from the right end in step 3? Options 20, 90, none of these, 32 and 72. Second question, which of the following are the first 2 elements in the last step? Options 40.5 and 45, 16 and 4.5, 10 and 36, 40.5 and 7 and 7 and 45. Third question, what will be the resultant if second element from the left end in step 2 is multiplied by fourth element from the right end in step 3? Options 2034, 2304, 7200, none of these, and 3362. All the three workout questions are tricky ones. Do these questions by yourself before going to the solutions, because as you develop your logic in solving these kind of questions, you can definitely score from this part, that is machine input output.
I will give you the solutions in the next video. Try to solve out by yourself. If you have any doubts or suggestions, comment below. If you like my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button and also share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Till then, have a good day and thank you.